Hi class 1, welcome back to your abacus class. Hope you all are staying well. Today, as I told you, I am going to teach you visualization. So what is visualization? First you have to understand, and then we will begin with the sums. See, you all are learning now ones place, right? So ones place carries what? 0 to 9 digit. So we are doing addition, subtraction based on only these numbers. In the next semester you will be learning from 10 to 90. So it will be added up with 0 to 9 and it will become 0 to 99. So the calculations from 0 to 99 you will learn. Okay. Now with the abacus scale you have also learnt finger gym. Okay, but you know abacus scale, finger gym all have its own limitations. What does this mean? Can you carry abacus scale everywhere? No ma'am, right? You cannot carry that. Now can you do all the calculations after 99 in your finger gym? You cannot, because finger gym means 0 to 99, right? So now what we are going to do? For that we need one more method. What is that? It is called visualization. What is the meaning? We have to visualize. What we will visualize? We will visualize this. This scale which you are using, we will visualize this scale. Okay, that means this ones place. Now you are learning ones place, so this ones place rod you will visualize in your mind, keeping your eyes closed. And how will you calculate? Same thing as you do here in the scale. Thumb finger, you use index finger right hand. You use thumb to add in the lower bead. You use index to add and subtract upper bead and subtract lower bead. Clear? So, we will use same pattern only in our mind. Clear? So, I'll teach you how to do, then we will do page 38. So, all of you take out your book 1A, page number 38. Ready? Okay, close your eyes, take position and keep your fingers like this open. Now if I say 1, think of that bead 1. Then you take 2, so you add 2. Then you take again 1. Now what you can visualize? You can visualize 4 beads in your ones place rod. So the answer is 4. Clear abacus. Same way you will do clear abacus. Done? Now 2 plus 5. What is the answer? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. Clear abacus. Next 3 minus 3. So I am doing direct. Okay. Plus 5 minus 5. Answer 0. Clear. Next 3 1 5 minus 7. So you subtract 5. Then you subtract 2 more beads. Done? So what is left? Only 2 beads left, which is touching the answer line. So what is the answer? 2. Clear? Clear abacus. Now let's focus on our book. Now here you need your parents' help. Ask mama or papa to read out the question for you. And you will do visualization with a proper speed, not very slowly, not very fast, but with a proper speed. Clear? Let's go for it. So you close your eyes, take your position and get set go. Ready? Now 9 minus 7. Done. Minus 7. Now 6 you have to add. So 5 and 1. Done. Now minus 5. Done. What is the answer? What is left in the scale? 3. 3 is your answer. Right? Clear abacus. So you have to visualize your scale constantly. Only think of the scale in your mind, the right side rod. Clear? Okay, next 9 minus 8 plus 8. Okay, minus 7. So answer is 2. Okay, clear abacus. I have to do opening my eyes because I can't see the question. Okay, you close your eyes and do it. Next one, 9 minus 7 plus 5 minus 1. So the answer is 6. Answer is 6. Okay, next one, 8 minus 7, done, plus 2, done, plus 1. So lower bead, 4 beads are there. Answer is 4. Clear abacus. Next, 8, okay, butterfly number, minus 2, done, again plus 3 possible, minus 6, done. Okay, so the answer is 3 beads are left. Clear? Next, 1, 3, 5 minus 6. Answer is 1, 2, 3. 3 beads are there. Okay? Clear abacus. Next, 3, then 6, then minus 3 directly do, minus 5 directly do. Only 1 bead is left in your right side rod. So answer is 1. And the last one, clear abacus. 5, 1. Okay, 1. Okay, minus 2. So what is left? Upper bead, 5 is left. So 5 is your answer. In this way you have to do visualization. You need to practice visualization. Now I would suggest you, in your book 1A, 1B, you will get addition and subtraction using visualization, using finger gem, using abacus scale. Practice this with the help of visualization also. Okay, at home you practice with the help of visualization also. Make sure that you practice all the 3 patterns so that you are used to with the terms, with the pattern, with the scale, with the beads. If you have any difficulty class 1, please share it with me so that I understand what you have understood. Secondly, we are almost at the end of the syllabus, we can say. So, see, we have only 39 to 47 page left. Okay, so after doing this, I will keep on giving you worksheet, and I'll tell you right now one thing. When I upload worksheet in the Google Classroom or while taking the classes, I won't give you 2 to 3 days time to submit the answer paper. Hardly I will give you 3 hours or 4 hours. So keep in mind, dear children, you have to submit within that time limit. If I give 3 hours, within 3 hours you have to do. If I give 4 hours, within that you have to do, because I can't keep on extending the time. You should have a time limit to practice abacus. That is very, very important. It's very crucial. Okay, you have to understand the time limit. It's not like that you can keep on calculating. You have to be correct. You have to be focused. At the same time, you have to be fast. That's why from the beginning I am teaching you with that equal speed. Clear? So if any difficulty, you do ask me so that I can sort out. Okay, and complete till page number 38. Also, I would suggest you, please practice till 38 with the help of visualization. You don't need any copy or you don't need to write any answer. Just you need to practice visualization. Very important. If you practice this, second semester, whatever topics are going to be added, you won't face any problem. Otherwise, you won't be able to do calculation faster. Clear? Now, few HW work I will give in your Google Classroom. Okay, like fill in the blanks I will give, whatever things I have taught you related to abacus, abacus scale, then pattern. I will frame question I will give you in the Google Classroom. Do write the answers and send it to me according to the time limit given. I will check whether you people have understood the topic or not. Clear? So complete till page number 38, and then next class we will be doing 39, 40, 41. Okay, 39, 40, 41. So today till this much. Meet you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.